Do you know there's a simple legume packed with powerful health benefits? It's called horse gram. Today, let's explore how this humble seed can support your health naturally. Horse gram is a highly nutritious food. It contains 18 to 29% protein, over 50% carbohydrates, and is rich in fiber, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. You'll also get vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin C. It's rich in essential amino acids like lysine and leucine, great for muscle health. Plus, it has healthy fats like linoleic acid, which support your brain and heart. Horse gram is packed with antioxidants that fight damage from free radicals. It helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the causes of aging, cancer, and heart disease. Sprouted horse gram has even stronger antioxidant effects and boosts enzymes that protect your cells. Horse gram is great for managing diabetes. It lowers blood sugar and improves insulin response. The fiber and resistant starch slow down sugar absorption, keeping blood glucose steady. Heart problems? Horse gram may help. It reduces bad cholesterol or LDL and increases good cholesterol, HDL. Animal studies show it protects your heart by reducing fat buildup in blood vessels. Kidney stones are painful, but horse gram is a natural remedy. It helps dissolve existing stones and prevents new ones. Its diuretic and antioxidant properties support overall kidney function. Horse gram has strong natural compounds that fight bacteria and fungi. It may help treat infections, skin problems, and ulcers. It even shows potential to kill intestinal worms, like common deworming medicines. In traditional medicine, horse gram has been used for centuries to treat kidney issues, liver problems, inflammation, and even menstrual discomfort. Modern research supports many of these uses, especially its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory power. You can cook horse gram like other lentils, boil it, sprout it, or turn it into powder. Sprouting boosts nutrition and reduces anti-nutrients. Add it to soups, curries, or even mix it with rice. To sum up, horse gram is a powerhouse of nutrition. It supports your heart, kidneys, blood sugar, and much more. It's affordable, easy to use, and backed by science and tradition. Add it to your diet for a healthier you. For more health research videos, like and subscribe.